Here's the MTS fights. Who's gonna be alpha? MTS stands for My Three Stooges. Wilfred really wants to be the alpha. No one's ever gotten Pimon down on her back. Yes, we know. You're not entering it? You're not? Look at those two go. Who's the puppies? Who's those puppies? Ah! Gunther. There's one little stooge. Here's the other one. Hey, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Over here. What? I'm back for Pimon again. They do this all day. Pimon! Pimon! Who is it? Who is it? Oh my God, who is it? Who's that? Who's that? Nope, didn't work. Here we go. Now Gunther's in on it. Alright. Wilfred gets under the chair. What is he doing? There he goes. Oh my God, that's vicious. And all three. What? Who's got it? Who's got the babies? Who's got the babies? Wilfred, I'm not under there anymore. Alright. Oh man. Oh, now Pimon's got him down. Now Pimon's got the upper hand. Not for long. She says, I'm still queen. I'm still the queen. Alright. Man, vicious, violent dogs. Uh-oh. Someone's got... Oh, there goes the chair. Uh-oh. Gunther ran into a stick. Oh, man. Oh! Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh! Where is he? Go get him! Go see if Daddy's there! Go get Daddy! Go get him! Where is he? Where's Daddy? No, there's no water in there. There's the garden. Where's Daddy? Where is he?